Hello everybody, here is Thomas Büster speaking, and I would like to show you how you can calculate your marks automatically using vlookup function in Google Spreadsheet. So let's start. First of all, I have some students, very nice students like Rogers or Thomas, and there is Sue, and of course Barbara too, and probably Cinderella. But then they had their first test in ICT and they got some points like Roger is quite clever, Thomas is not so clever. Sue, as all women are, was very clever. Barbara, okay, she is uh, quite clever, and Cinderella, oh, she is just a beauty. So here we are. Now we want to make the marks. But how can we calculate the marks? First, I make somewhere, let's say here, I make my points and marks table. So, and I start to make, let's say, up from 0 point, they will get a D mark, and from 21, they will get a C, and from 41, they will have a B. From 61 to 80, there will be a B plus. And finally, last but not least, up from 81, there will be an A. So, okay, now let's go to the function. I will have to start with the equals sign and then write vlookup. Oh, yes, it's vertical lookup. I start with the opening bracket and they see, oh, what do I have to search? The search key is in here. This is the search key. After this, I have to make a comma to separate it. Then I have to mark the range over here. And now I hit F4, the key function F4 to make this, you can see dollar signs. That afterwards, that I can copy down the function without changing the relation to the cells in the range. So this is perfect. Another comma, and now I have to give in to specify the index. And actually, there is the index of the range is index 1, and this is index 2. Okay, so here I have to write 2 because I need the value of the second column. Now, is it sorted or not? Here we have a example. Yes, everything is correct. I think we have to use true. True, 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 true. Hopefully it will work. And then I will hit enter. B. Is this right? It is right. Oh, how nice. Then I have to copy everything down and is it really? Is it correct or is it not? Compare it. I think it's perfect, isn't it? Is it perfect? My class agrees with me. That makes me happy, really. I just want to see if a 65 is giving a B plus. Let's just look. Ah! Like wonder. So this is what I wanted to do, but now